Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today, we are back in Prairie Oaks, a neighborhood in Oak Point, looking at Perry homes. So this home in particular is the 1743 plan. It is listed at around $400,000. It is sitting at around 1,700 square feet, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So this is the model home for this plan. They do have some available to build. They do have other plans that are ready to move in homes. The thing I like about this neighborhood in particular is Oak Point is a really small kind of town area right by Prosper, kind of between Prosper and Little Elm. The good thing about this neighborhood is you do have 720, which is kind of like a back road that can take you to El Dorado, and you can avoid having to take that 380. So you can use that road to take to go down to Frisco, Dallas. Now, if you're going to be going more towards Prosper or McKinney, you are going to have to take 380. And unless it's rush hour, it's really not too bad, but rush hour, it is horrible. So just kind of consider where you're going to be going to more often. If you have work maybe down south towards Dallas, this might be a good area for you. It is a bit of a commute. Everything is going to be around 45 minutes from your house, but you are located in a really nice suburb. This is brand new. All the homes are really nice. It's a quiet neighborhood. I actually live about a block down from here, so it's not bad at all. If you guys are interested, feel free to reach out. My contact info is on that screen and in the link in the description. Other than that, the price points are extremely well. They do have some houses starting as low as the 380s. So if you're looking for something that is a great price point, these homes are going to be it for you. They do have other builders in this neighborhood as well, and I've done videos about them. All of them have great price points. They do have some great incentives. I think we're approaching a lot of the end phases of a lot of neighborhoods. So right now is a great time to buy and take advantage of some great savings. Now we're going to check out the backyard here. Some of these houses in this neighborhood have humongous lots. Keep in mind, this one is going to be the model home, so it might not be this big. This would be super nice. I mean, you could fit a whole backyard and entertainment area there, and then just set up even more stuff here, but it's definitely not going to be as big as that. However, some of the other builders that I have visited have ready to move in homes with humongous lots. So if that's what you're looking for, this would be a great community for you. You're also going to have Denton ISD school district. So if you are considering moving in and you have kiddos, make sure you research that and kind of see what school district, what are the ratings and everything like that. A good website for that would be niche.com. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're interested in checking out this beautiful home, feel free to reach out. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. And as always, I will see you at the closing table.